TDC Merchant Services can isolate your credit card processing fees and convert it to a flat monthly fee, while providing unlimited credit card processing for as low as only $25 per month. Our cash discount program allows you to process unlimited credit cards for one flat, low fee. It is a method of implementing an increase in price to all customers, while giving a discount to those who pay with cash. When a customer pays with a card, our technology isolates the price increase and immediately applies it to your processing fees so that you never again have to worry about an unpredictable processing bill, all while keeping you within card network guidelines. If you are not comfortable with charging the 4% more to your customers with the cash discount program, you can choose our hybrid program and save 40 to 60% on your processing costs. When customers pay with a credit card, they also cover the fee. At the time of purchase, TDC Merchant Services informs the customer of the fee amount, and always gives the option to pay with a no-fee method. You receive 100% of the amount of your sale. Customers that choose to pay with a debit card or cash, pay no fee. The merchant is responsible for swiped debit transactions only. TDC Merchant Services provides a terminal that can determine the card type and won't apply a fee to debit cards, and for free of charge. We also offer traditional credit card processing as well, and we guarantee that we can save you money every month. You can sync your online, mobile, and in-store sales with TDC Merchant Services Virtual Terminal to process payments, track your transactions and budget analysis data on a user-friendly online portal. Whether you're a new entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner shopping around for a new solution, having the right credit machine is critical. Terminals are the most commonly used credit card machines out there. They are reliable and support all the basic functions to keep your business running smoothly. Our terminals are sophisticated and modern, some with smartphone-like user interfaces, and are compatible with thousands of POS systems. You also may be eligible for the free terminal program. Contact TDC Digital Media today to simplify your payment processing today.